Hello everyone, welcome back to Web app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable God mode in Windows 11. This is a very simple and short process in which you can enable God mode in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So first of all, open your laptop and log into your account. Now in your desktop, make sure that you can see your app icons. To be able to see them, right click and click on view, click on show desktop icons. Now this will show you all your desktop icons. Now again right click and click on new and create a new folder, and to rename it, right click and click on rename. Now we will rename the folder using the God mode code, which will be provided to you in the comments section below. Now click on enter. Now the folder icon has automatically changed to a control panel. Now open it to access advanced Windows settings. Everything we can find inside control panel is given here in a folder format, and you can click on any and access it, and that's it. This is how we can enable God mode in Windows 11. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.